morning, students. Now let's come to the next topic, that is the use of the exponent to express small number in the standard form. You all know about the how to express a largest number in a standard form. Standard form, that means we will take any largest or smallest number. It's easy to write. That is the standard form. Standard form is any number. How we will express that number in a standard form? That form is like that: a into 10 raised to power n, where n is any integer and a is lies between 1 to 10. जो a है वो 1 से बड़ा या 1 से इक्वल और 10 से छोटा होना चाहिए. ठीक है. वन मोर थिंग, when we will convert small, when we express smallest number in a standard form, that standard form is also came in a negative exponent. But when we express largest number in a standard form, that standard form is came in a positive exponent. Now let us start with the examples. We will take any one example. Like firstly we will do largest number, how to write this number in a standard form. Firstly we will take any one number, that is a 3. How to write this number in a standard form? We will write like that: 3 into 1. How many 0 will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means 6 times we will write 0. How to write this in a standard form? To exponent form, 10 raised to power, how many 0 will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is a 6. That is a standard form which satisfy that condition. That is a into 10 raised to power n, where a is a lies between, that is a जो है वो 3 है, वो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है, और n is any integer. One more example, if we will take a like this number. Firstly we will write like that: 15 into, how many 0 will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 0 will come. Now in that, this is a bigger number. We want only one digit number, मतलब कि that we want that number which is lies between 1 to 10. How to make it a smallest number? We will put a decimal here. What we will do, write 1.5 and take decimal here. After how many places decimal will move to make, to put point here? मतलब after one digit we want a point, then after how many digit will move, this decimal will move? That is only one time. That is, we will multiply by 10. If that is multiply by 10, then how we will write that? 1.5 into 10 into 10000, that is equal to 1.5 into, now how in a exponent form, how many 0 will come? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is the answer. One more example of that: 4050000. Now firstly we will write like that: 405, 10 raised to power, how many 0 will come? 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, 5 means, sorry, 5 0 1 2 3 4 5. 5 0 will come. We will not write like that. That it's a wrong, because it does not satisfy that condition. That is a where a lie between. So what we will do, it's wrong. Firstly we will put a decimal after 1 point. Now let us take, that is a number, decimal is here. After one digit we will put decimal. How many time decimal is moved to put here? How many time? That is 1 and 10. 2 time. That is multiply by 100. Understand? In last one we will move only one place, that means multiply by 10. Now in that we will move two place, that is a 4.05 into 100 into same as it is. Now we will count these 0. That is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is 10 raised to power 7. That is the answer. That is the smallest, or that is a bigger number, to express bigger number in a standard form. Now let's start. Next is the smallest to bigger. How we will do? First let us take any smallest number, that is a 0.00003. that is a simple. What we will do, that is, in smallest exponential is always came in a negative power, especially decimal will give, that means that is always came in a negative power. What we will do, remove this decimal, that is equal to 10 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. and how will it 10 raised to power 6 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के लिए मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए, दैट मीन्स 3 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर -6. ऊपर जाके ये नेगेटिव बन जाएगा, यही मेथड. अंडरस्टैंड. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल वी विल टेक, दैट इज अ 0.00016. नाउ अगेन remove this decimal, what will come, that is a 1 by 1 2 3 4 5 0 will come. Now see, if we will write 16 upon 10 raised to power 5, that is equal to 16 into 10 raised to power -5. 16 is a bigger, we want only one digit, that means that condition, that is a lie between 1 to 10. Then we will put a decimal here. What we will do, same as it is 1 6 decimal we will take here. We will move this decimal to left, move here. After one place it will move, that means multiply by 10. Then what we will write, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 divided by 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5. Now what we will do, 1 raised to power 6 into 10 raised to power, ऊपर जाके नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Now that rule which we use, that base same power will be add. Now 10 raised to power 1 plus -5, that is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to power -4. That is the standard form. Understand now how to write a smaller in a standard form and bigger number in a standard form. Now example 8, express the number in a standard form. Same 0.00035. Firstly we will write, remove this decimal, and how many 0 will come, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0 will come. After that we will move decimal like that. Wait, what we will do, remove this decimal, what will come, 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now 35 by how many 0 will come, that is 10 raised to power 6. Now this number is a bigger, to make it a positive one digit, that is a decimal is there, move this decimal after one place. After one digit we will need decimal, that means multiply by 10, that is equal to 3 point here, sorry not here, multiply, that is equal to 10 into 10 raised to power -6, that is equal to 3.5 into base same powers add, that means -5. That is the answer. Understand. Now next one, that is a 405. Now this is the largest number. What we will do, firstly 405 into 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now to make this number is smallest, now we want decimal here, take decimal here. After move this decimal to left, after how many place, that is a 1s and 2, that is multiply by 100. Now how we will write, 4.05 into 100 into this. Now write this in an exponential form, 0.5 into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 0 will come. Understand. This exponential standard form came in a positive power, and this is in a negative power, same as it is. Come to the next example, example 9. Now express the following number in a usual form. Now we have to given these all are the standard form. How to express these number in a standard form or usual form? Now first part, now 3.52 into how many times 0 will come, 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5. In multiplication, when we multiplicate with that number, decimal is also move on right side. When we multiply, if we will divide, then we all know decimal is move right side, left side, sorry. Now in a multiplication, decimal will move right side. Now how many 0 will come? That is a 1 2 3 4 5. 5 0 will come. That means the decimal is moved to right after 5 places. We have to given this one. Now move decimal after 5 places. 2 places we have to given. That is a 1. After that 2. After that 3, 4 and 5. That means put a decimal here and don't forget to write a 3. That means that is equal to 3 5 000. That is the answer. Understand? Next example. Now this sum is given in a negative part. Firstly, what we will do, make this part in a positive. That is equal to 7.54 divided by 10 raised to power 4. Reciprocal of that makes the positive. Now open it. 7.54 divided by 10000. 4 times 0 will come. Now that number is given in a divisible, then decimal is indivisible. Decimal is always moved to left side. Understand? Now decimal is moved to left side. How many times it will move? That is on a which place? 1 2 3 4. One place we have to given. After that, how many place it will move? It is a 7 5 4 as it is. After that, it will move 1 2 3 4. Put decimal here. That is the answer. Understand? Now next one is a this. Firstly, we will make this a positive. 3 by 10 raised to power 5. Now what we will do, open it. 3 by 5 time it will come. Now in a division, decimal is moved left side. Take decimal here. That is a 1 2 3 4 5 time. That is a 1 2 3 4 and 5 time. That is the answer. Understand? Now your this exercise is complete. Now you have to solve this exercise on your fair copy with the help of the example.